Hello friends, in today's video, we will learn an amazing trick to convert your simple images to these creative portraits in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. With the image layer selected, go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl or Command J to copy the selection to a new layer. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the top layer and with layer 1 selected, go to Image Adjustments and Invert. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose black and white. Adjust the cyan slider and the other sliders if you want. Click on this little icon to clip it to layer 1. Now enable the top layer and select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. Drag and make a selection of the area that you want to reveal. Press Shift and create the other areas as well. When done, click on the vector mask icon over here. Now let's add our background. Just drag and drop the image which you want in the background. Press Ctrl or Command T to adjust it and bring it below the layer. In this way, you can create some fantastic portraits and play with them as per your creativity. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.